In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Bank of America card to Google Pay. By the end, you'll have your card ready to tap and pay straight from your phone. Make sure you're signed into the Bank of America mobile app on an Android device that supports Google Pay and that your app is up to date. You won't need to switch between apps for this. Everything happens from within the Bank of America app. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile app. Give it a moment to load your accounts and ensure you're on the main dashboard. If you use biometric sign-in, authenticate as you normally do. A stable internet connection helps this process run smoothly. Next, navigate to your credit card or debit card section. If you have multiple cards, choose the one you want to add to Google Pay. Tapping the card will open its details screen. You'll see information like recent transactions and available balance. This is the correct place to manage features related to that specific card. Now, scroll down the card details screen until you find Digital Wallet Management. This section is where Bank of America groups options for mobile wallets and contactless payment services. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's often near the bottom under Card Settings or Card Tools. Tap Set Up Google Pay. The app will walk you through the prompts step by step. You may be asked to review and accept terms, confirm your card details, and complete a quick security check. Verification can include receiving a one-time code or confirming account information to protect your card. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and wait for the confirmation message from the app. If you're prompted to choose a default contactless payment method, you can set Google Pay as the default so your phone uses it automatically at checkout. Once you reach the confirmation screen, your Bank of America card is ready to use with Google Pay. For in-store purchases, unlock your phone and hold it near a contactless terminal when you see the contactless symbol. You might be asked to authenticate with your fingerprint, face, or device passcode. For online and in-app purchases, select Google Pay at checkout and choose your newly added card. If you don't see the setup option, make sure your device and region support Google Pay and that your Bank of America app is updated. You can also try closing and reopening the app. Adding your card this way is secure. Your actual card number isn't shared with merchants, and a unique token is used for transactions. That's it. Quick, secure, and ready to go. Happy tapping.